a little-known market built on top of crypto exchange Hyperliquid, which allows speculators to buy and sell blockchain-based oil derivatives continuously, even when traditional markets are closed. The platform's generated some $500 billion in trading volume since launching in October. Bloomberg's Muyao Shen is here to tell us more about it. Really interesting story. Let's start with the basics, the concept of perps, Hyperliquid, and everything else that we need to understand.
Yeah, sure. Perpetual swap are a type of futures contracts that do not expire, and Hyperliquid is a trading platform with its namesake blockchain where it allows traders to trade such products.
There is a push to bring Hyperliquid to the US. Like if you look at the headline, 24/7 markets of great interest to all kinds of parts of the Bloomberg audience. Explain that push.
So basically what's happening is that because the traditional markets are usually closed over the weekends, where most people cannot really look at or have an idea where the market's going to be at during the weekends, especially when there's like breaking news. So places like Hyperliquid provide a platform where people can get an idea where market's going to be when it opens on Monday. I think the idea is that you don't want that kind of market remains offshore outside the U.S., right? Because currently Hyperliquid or Trade.xyz are not open in the U.S. So I think bringing this type of markets onshore to the U.S. is very important, especially Wall Street is based here in the States.
Part of your reporting is that Trade.xyz is out there lobbying regulators. What's the argument that they're making?
I think the main argument is that I think they want to show that how important it is, especially I think you have a platform where you can trade futures contracts tied to stocks or things like pre-IPO. These are all happening in the U.S., but these platforms that are only allowed outside the U.S. that just I think logically speaking for these people it just don't make a lot of sense. So I think there are a lot of them pushing regulators I think to be more innovative and to allow these kind of markets to be legally offered here in the States.